Good afternoon, one and all present here. This is Arman Baig of 9th Alpha from Solitaire Global Schools. I will start my talk with a simple quote. Good ideas are not born in a vacuum. They are born when humans ask them. What if your co-worker was a robot? What if your personal assistant knew what you wanted before you said a single word? What if machines could not only think, but create, decide, and maybe even feel? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence, where yesterday's science fiction is today's reality. We are living at a turning point of human history, where AI and robotics are not just tools anymore. They are our assistants, partners, competitors, and even sometimes challengers. They're reshaping how we live, learn, work, heal, and connect. And the question is not, can we build intelligent machines? We already have them. The real question is, what kind of world are we building with them? So, I will explain you the evolution and the power of AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, at its core is about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. It started as a simple idea in 1950s. Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" Now, decades later, AI is not just thinking, but it's creating. I will explain you the evolution in three main examples. First, in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol in the complex game of Go. Today's generative AIs like ChatGPT is writing poetry, coding software, and even passing medical exams. AI learns from massive amounts of data, text, images, sound, and even videos. Unlike a human who gets tired, AI gets more precise and more efficient. Now let's move on, what is robotics? Robotics is like giving bodies to the intelligent minds. Robotics is about creating machines that can perform tasks in the physical world, like cleaning, manufacturing, flying, and even performing surgeries. Now, combine it with AI. Magic happens. A robot without an AI is just an automated tool. An AI without a robot is just a brain in a jar. Together, they create autonomous, intelligent machines. Like Boston Dynamic Atlas is a robot that can jump, run, and even do a backflip. Surgical robots like Da Vinci assist in complex operations with precision and zero faith. Delivery drones use AI to navigate in the cities to avoid obstacles and optimize the paths. Let's move on. The part like how AI and robotics is transforming our world. Let's begin what's happening right now. AI and robotics is being used in four main segments: healthcare, education, industry and labor, and in your everyday life. Healthcare. AI systems are diagnosing diseases faster than human doctors. Once IBM's Watson detected a rare form of leukemia that many human doctors missed. In education, AI-powered tutors like Squirrel AI in China analyzes students' studying pattern and adapt in real time. In Japan and South Korea, robots are used to teach children languages, blending learning with play. In industry, robots have been working from decades. But now collaborative robots or cobots have been working with humans side by side. Not replacing them, but augmenting them. So humans can handle decisions, empathy, and creativity. And robots handles the dangerous ones. Now let's move on the fourth part, the most controversial and the diverse section of AI, ethical issues of ethical dilemmas and human responsibility. AI and robotics raise ethical challenges that we cannot ignore, like job displacement. Will robots replace workers? Yes, some of them, but also create new ones like AI trainers, robot technicians, and ethics supervisors. A study by Oxford University claims that 47% of jobs would be replaced by the robots. Second, bias in AI. If AI learns from the data, if the data is biased, then AI will be too. We have seen this in hiring algorithms that support men over women and law enforcement tools. We must build transparent and fair systems. Then comes dependency versus humanity. If AI if AI is thinking for us, do we stop thinking? No. AI must amplify human intelligence, not replace it. If we feed it only one version of humanity, it will affect only one kind of world. Let's move the promise, why it matters. Why are we talking about this? Because AI has the power to solve some of the world's biggest problems, like climate change. AI models simulate weather, predict disasters, and even optimize energy use. Healthcare for all. AI and robotics can reach remote areas with minimal human resources. And food security. AI-driven agriculture can maximize yield and reduce waste. Disability support. AI hearing aids, robotic limbs, brain interface machines are transforming accessibility. But here is the catch. Technology doesn't solve problem on its own. People do it. Now let's move on the future we can create. Let's imagine a better future where AI and a Kenyan girl learning quantum physics by an AI tutor, where a blind man in New York navigating cities using AI glasses. And where AI doesn't replace teachers but gives them superpowers so no child is ever left behind. Where AI reflects our values, not just our intelligence but our humanity. Now, so where does that leave us? AI and robotics are not just inventions, they are reflections of us, our flaws, our ambitions, our intelligence. They are asking us, what kind of species do you want to be? The one who lets machines dictate the future, or one who guides them with wisdom, purpose, and heart? We stand at a fork in their road because the future is not being written by the algorithms. It's going to be written by people who made them. Let that be you, let that be us. Thank you.